Okay, I actually want to take a trade. The signal is not yet up. Once the signal is up, I'm going to be taking ends outside. Reason is because the market did not move today that much. Okay, let me go back to the charts. Okay, let's see for the day. You can see that it had gone up, it's back at 1,000, so it's at 1,000. If it had gone down below 1,000, probably the profit margin will be high. But right now, the profit margin is low. Okay, the profit margin is low. Normally, if I set, let me see. Okay, if I set this, if I have the setup, it should be giving maybe less than 5%. So once it's giving less than 5%, I'm not going to be trading. Okay, this is a setup for, let's say, goes outside setup is, let's say, 1, 5, 1, let's say 7. Okay, I actually wanted you to see the value it will give, let's say. Okay, not that I can't trade the 5% and stuff like that, but I only wanted to do just one trade. Okay, this is ends outside. So for goes outside, you can see it's just 4.8%. Okay, which is less than my normal target. Normal target starts from once it's more than 6.57%, I'm good to trade it. So right now, I won't. That's why I'm not trading ends outside. I mean goes outside. So that's why I'm trading the other version, which is ends outside. Now, normally, if you go to the page, let me use this one. You'll see you have the first one is ends outside, which is this. The second one is goes outside. So goes outside gives you lesser. It means once you pass the boundary, you win. But ends outside, you have to wait for the whole 2 minutes. Okay, you are actually saying it's going to go beyond this level. That's the difference for both. Okay, so I'm going to wait for one signal. Let me see if there is signal already. Let's see if there is any signal. Okay, there is no signal so far, so I'll wait. Once there is signal, we're going to just place one trade. Just one trade. Okay, I want to make an entry here. Okay, I just made one entry. Signal is not yet available, so I only took the one that made me take this trade is a signal I have been observing for a while. It works actually, but requires discipline in trading such signals. It comes once every, not often, maybe 1 in 4 hours. So it's not a frequent signal. So I don't provide such signal. But I'm going to pause and come back when this trade is done. Okay, so I've won the trade. I hope I'll get to see actual signal come through. Just a minute. Okay, now a signal is up and running. You can see here. So I'm gonna go and make my entry. You can see I've made my entry. Now this is me trading this ends outside with a goes outside signal. I usually select the ones I keep to trade for ends outside. Reason ends outside is not like goes outside. Goes outside immediately it gets to a certain distance, you already won. But ends outside, you have to wait the whole 2 minutes. Okay, this is contract for ends outside, so we have to wait a whole 2 minutes. If it was like this here now, as this market has got seen here, we would have won the trade on our ends outside, on goes outside. Can you see? It says won. Okay, trade already won. This guy had already won this trade. Okay, but for ends outside, until after 2 minutes, before you can know whether you win or not. So I'm going to pause and come back when the trade is done. Okay, I just won the trade. Okay, so I used $5 to make like 63 cents. That's about 12%. You can see I've won the trade. Reason why I'm trading ends outside is because goes outside is giving me, it has not gotten to my profit target level yet. Okay, before I get to trade it, I need it to be like 7%, 6.8, 7%, I'm okay. So if I do just 2, I'm good. But when it's less than 5%, it's not yet there. And it's because the market is sluggish somehow. Okay, it's not gone down, it's gone up today. And okay, so I've just done 2 trades today, so I'm okay. Okay, look at it for instance. This is goes outside, right? Look at the profit margin, 4.5%. So it's too small, but it's okay. You win, you win the trade. Your guarantee of winning the trade faster. But ends outside, this one gives me what percentage? 12%. If I'm the one that reduced it, usually it gives more than 15%. I'm the one that reduced the barrier so that I can be within the range of 12. So it's 12.5%. So if I just do 1 or 2, I'm okay. Like this now, you use $5 to make like this one now is a signal. Okay, is a signal. But I'm not going to trade, let's see. I'm not going to trade this one with it. I'm going to trade this one. So I'm going to do goes outside. You can see the signal popping up. Okay, so I opted for goes outside. The reason is because I've done 2 of ends outside, which is about like 25%. Okay. I have already done 2. The reason why I'm doing this trade is because the signal showed up while I'm still doing the recording. And I have not broken my rule yet. I've only done 2 trades. You can see that I've won the trade. You can see how fast it is. But it is small. The profit margin is small. The reason is because there has not been movement yet. There is no much movement. That's why the profit margin, if it is like 950, 9 something now, the profit margin, you even get 12% from this sales setup. So you can see I've done like 2 signals here. Slow, steady. Now so small, you go, they grow your money. Now so they do. But if you are in a hurry to make money, forget it. You are not going to make anything. You are going to dash them your money. God bless you and stay focused. God bless you.